Hello everyone, this is Lynn from Blush and Plans, and today I'm doing a memory plan with me using an Easter themed kit from Little Bees. So this kit came with today, to do, and scallop headers, flag banner sheet with deco, full boxes, weekly tracker, heart checklist, habit tracker, hat boxes, and quarter boxes. Then the last sheet has some bottom wash sheet and a day covers. I memory plan in my happy planner, and I use a black Pilot G2 pen in .38. I love this kit. I was drawn to the pastel rainbow colors in the kit, but what really got me was the cute peeps. They are adorable. Honestly though, in real life, I don't like eating peeps. They're cute and all, but I don't like the taste and the texture, but my family loves them, so I buy peeps for them every year. So this was the first kit I ordered from Little Bees because I was late to the party, but I am impressed not only with the well thought out design but with also the quality of the product. I don't know what took me so long to order before, but now that my experience with Little Bees was a good one, I will not hesitate to order more kits. This memory plan is for Easter week 2020, which was the week of April 6th to the 12th. If you're wondering what took me so long to get this video posted, it's honestly because I don't like editing or doing voiceovers. I stated this previously in one of my other planning meetings, and I have not changed from that. I apologize for that, but it takes a really long time to edit a video, and I honestly have nothing to say. It's really interesting because, well, we've been locked down, so not much has been happening. However, today, after seeing how many videos I have not posted, I decided to work on them and post them when I'm finished. So pretty much I'm just working on my base stickers for the spreads. All the base stickers were from the kit except for the meal script that was laid down in my sidebar. That meal script is from Bizzie Planning. All sticker strips I use in this spread will be posted in my description along with my PR codes. So starting off with Monday, I placed a scallop header in its pretty gold foiled bunny full box along with the today header, which are all from the kit. And then to mark that I walked my dog Dexter, I used a border collie sticker from Happy Daya. So I just went and took Dexter around the block just to get him a little bit of exercise and also just to get some fresh air for me because we've been cooped up in the house for so long. And underneath all that, I placed a peep sticker from the kit to mark that I edited and uploaded a video. So I must have been really productive that week or something because I haven't uploaded videos in a long time. Then I placed a full box from the kit along with a full heart sticker from Clever Girl Crafts to mark that my lights came in from Amazon. So I'm going to have better lighting, or in fact, you know what? I think I started using my lights when I started doing a spread. So my lights have, my lighting has improved dramatically since I got those lights. And at the bottom, I went to Burger King that Monday, so I used this really cute burger sticker from Viricute Designs. On Tuesday, I placed a to-do sticker on the very top of the day. Tuesday was trash pickup, so I placed a sticker from Papershire and a script sticker from the Shelspot. Underneath that, I whited out the line in the planner with my Tombow white correction tape, whatever it's called. Let me see what it's called. The Tombow Mono Correction Tape Original. Anyways, I use that in all my planners because that is my favorite whiteout correction tape, whatever it's called. And then I placed a film sticker from My Little Puffy to mark that I filmed a plan with me. So after that, I took this long flag banner from the kit and I placed it down and I spelled the words edit from the Recollection sticker book. And that's pretty much what I did for the rest of the day. After I did all that, I realized I did not add a full box for Tuesday. So I moved everything higher so I can make room for the full box. So the start of Wednesday, I put down this hat box, and I ended up actually waking up. I don't remember if it was early or not, but I remember I was still tired. So I placed down this tired puppy from Sweet South Stickery Co. I then did a voiceover, so I used a Snowball the cat sticker from Sweet Ava's paper. After I did the voiceover, I went ahead and did the dishes, so I used a half box from the kit and this beanie sticker from Every Minute's a Story. That day I got Happy Meal, so I got my screen protector from Amazon and my inserts from the 1407 planner or the 1407 planner. I don't know, how do you say that? And so I used this Happy Meal sticker from the kit to mark them. This is around the same time that I realized I forgot to put down another full box. So I took everything up and started rearranging them. So because I didn't want to put the two full boxes together. So that's why I took up everything and then moved everything down after I placed the full box. In the afternoon I was still tired, so I put down the snap sticker from Shine Sticker Studio. Is that the name of it? I don't know, I have to go check. And so I move on to the next page, and to prevent me from forgetting another full box, I placed the last full box on Saturday, and then I went on the spread adding scallop headers to all the full boxes so it looks more cohesive. For Thursday, I placed down a Today sticker, and then I placed down a rainbow sticker from my leftovers collection. I'm not sure where that sticker from. I think it might be from Little Red Prince. And so I wanted to mark that it was raining that day. I used the rainbow because I don't have any raining stickers or they're in the mail. So that's that. I also had coffee that day, so I marked it with a half box in this coffee. I also have no idea where it came from, but if I had to guess, I think it came from the kit. So just to let you know, all the stickers for the rest of Thursday, they all came from the kit. So to mark that I got something from Carpe Diem, I used this bowl. And later on, I texted my mom and I used a hat box in a heart speech bubble, which is adorable. Later on, for the last part of the day, I used a Crayola marker looking sticker to mark that I had filmed a PP Week's memory plan with me. Friday was Good Friday, so I marked it with a box from the kit. It was also Little Red Prince Rainbow Cup release that day, so I wrote that out on a half box. So I went shopping that day, so I marked it with the shopping bunny from Planner Bunny Press. After that, I whited out the line beneath it, and then I placed a Today header on top of it. Later that night, I made baked salmon for dinner, so I placed on a hat box and a salmon sticker from Happy Daya. At the end of the night, I used some calming tea to help me try to go to sleep, so I used this tea time sticker from Her Name is Savvy. For the next day, I placed a Today header on the top of Saturday. I had woken up early that day, so I placed a coffee cup from Sweet South Stickery Co. I don't think she sells these anymore, but I wish she did. If she does, sell them again, let me know because I'm willing to buy more. So I also had Happy Meal from Sweet Tea Plans came in, so I marked that with a peep sticker from the kit. For later in the day, I placed a purple hat box from the kit, and then I placed it like a game control from Seesaw Sticker Co. and marked that I played Mortal Kombat with my husband. That I filmed my monthly highlights, which I think was for the month of March, and I did not post it yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna post it at all. So if you want to see that monthly highlights for March, please let me know. Anyways, I placed down a sticker from the Stickery Co. For the last day of the week, which was Easter Sunday, I placed down a to-do header underneath the Easter full box. And to mark that I made breakfast for my family, I used a sticker from Happy Daya. Every year my kids dye eggs for Easter, and this kid had the most perfect sticker for that. So I placed that down. So I made dinner that night, and we had ham, mashed potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and brownies. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that stickers, so I just put down a quarter box that I marked with the word dinner, or I wrote the word dinner. Does that make better sense? Finally, at the end of the spread, I worked on my sidebar and filled my dinners for the week. For some reason, I forgot to fill out my habit tracker, so that was accidentally left blank. But anyways, here are the sheet from the leftovers from the kit. As you can see, I used quite a bit of it, but there's still a bunch of stickers left. So that's it for my plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll get back to you. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again. Aloha!